Hello stunning fan, Michele here. We're glad you stopped by. Today we're setting up our new truck tent. The brand name is Umbrauto. Also, stick around to the end and we'll share a cool DIY waterproof fire starter idea that works amazing to get a fire going quick. The first thing we did was to spread out the tent and the truck bed, being sure that the zipper opening was towards the tailgate. There are actually 3 straps on each side of the tent with a thick metal hook that has a rubber protective coating to not scratch your vehicle that secures to the side of the truck. If you have plenty of space, you can skip these steps and save them to the very end and set the tent up on the ground for easier accessibility. We didn't do this in the video. We went all in and we set the tent up directly in the truck bed. Once the tent was strapped down, we assembled the tent poles. We placed the long black poles corner to corner by placing each end in the corner grommets on the tent and then clipping the tent securely to the poles. We placed the shorter black tent poles from front to back in the corresponding pockets. Because we were setting the tent up in the bed of the truck, we attached all the center pole clips prior to raising the tent. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking, unboxing videos, to anything that can be a DIY style project. And we would really love it if you would like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified the next time that we decide to share one of our projects. We placed the yellow tent pole through the sleeve going across the tailgate portion of the tent. Next, we clipped the tent to the poles and secured the tent pole in the provided grommets on each side. For the sun awning, we inserted the gray poles corner to corner by slipping them into the corner pockets and then tying the pole in the center of the awning. Then we inserted the adjustable black awning supports. The tent also came with a rain fly, but we chose not to install it because we were using the tent in the heat of the summer. And the tent was ready to go. It's spacious, it makes good use of the space in the back of the truck for family campouts. It's a win-win. As promised, here's a cool campfire hack that you can make with items you probably already have in your own home. You can make a waterproof fire starter with a smoothie straw, a cotton ball, and petroleum jelly. Cut a smoothie straw into 2-inch sections. Squeeze one end of the straw with a pair of needle nose pliers, leaving a tiny bit sticking out. Next, use a lighter to melt the straw and clamp it together with the pliers to seal it. Repeat this as many times as you like for the number of fire starters you wish to make. Next, tear apart some cotton balls and place them in a Ziploc bag. Add a good portion of petroleum jelly and seal the bag and swish it around to coat the cotton. Once the cotton is coated good, pack the cotton into the straw, leaving just a little room in the straw to seal the other end. You'll need something skinny to pack it in. I used a screwdriver, but anything you have on hand that's long and skinny will work. To seal the other end, simply repeat the process by clamping, burning, and then reclamping the end to seal it. To use the fire starter, simply light one end on fire with a lighter or a match and use it to start your fire. These little starters burn pretty steady for about 5 minutes. Thanks for stopping by and have an amazing day.